Hello and welcome to this February 19th, 2010 video version of Invested Central's Chart of the Day. I'm Tom Bowley, Invested Central's Chief Market Strategist, and it's my pleasure to provide you with today's Chart of the Day. This Chart of the Day is brought to you by StockCharts.com, simply the web's best financial charts. Today we are featuring ticker symbol TRN, Trinity Industries Inc. This is a $1.4 billion services company within the railroad industry. TRN provides various products and services for the industrial, energy, transportation, and construction sectors, primarily here in the United States. TRN, this was actually a stock that we featured in our market chatter, which is one of the features of our premier member service. TRN, the reason that we featured it was it came up on a scan as a possible reversing candidate, and when we took a look at the chart, you can see right here, let me get the cursor up here, you can see right here near the 50-day moving average, the MACD was approaching the center line. We hadn't quite gotten there, but we're certainly approaching the center line. You can see from the volume bar, very heavy volume, and on an intraday basis we had gotten up to 18 and then had reversed, and we were back down around the 50-day moving average early in the morning when this went out to our premier members. Now, we did finish weak on TRN into the close, putting in a bearish engulfing candle on very heavy volume with a false breakout above the 50-day moving average. All of these things would indicate that there's a pretty good chance that TRN is in for a reversal here right at this key 50-day moving average. And also, if you go back here, you'll see that this breakdown in the second half of January came from about the 1730, 1740 area. So there's also some price resistance that the bulls were having to deal with on Thursday as well. The other thing I want to mention is normally when you get a stock like this in an uptrend for a period of months, generally you will see the RSI hold at 50 on the way down with an occasional move down to 40. Now, we did have a slight break of the RSI 40 on a couple of occasions back in June and July, but overall you can see that the RSI did hold this 40-50 level during the uptrend. Now, with this rolling over here in January and then this resulting move up to test the 50-day from underneath, if we are in fact beginning a downtrend, then it would certainly make sense that the RSI, when we come back up to 50 or perhaps as high as 60, that would be a time when we would see TRN turn around and move back to the downside, and that's what we saw on Thursday. So Friday will be an interesting day, but it does appear to us, at least in the near term, that TRN could be rolling over and printing a short-term top. Stochastics here, you can see also we're overbought. We're up in the mid-90s. That did come down a little bit today with the reversal, but clearly a lot more room to the downside potentially for TRN at this point. I hope you've enjoyed our presentation today. Be sure to check out our chart of the day every day at InvestedCentral.com. While you're there, sign up for our free weekly Market Pulse newsletter and have the chart of the day emailed directly to you. Happy trading.